When importing data to create a model, we can resolve data quality issues. During the import process, the system scans the sample data for formatting and column type. Here in Card View, green bars indicate the absence of data quality issues, while any red flags the presence of problems that must be addressed before the model can be finalized. While the sample contains no errors, there may be other changes we'd like to make to the structure of the dataset. We'll switch to the table view to look at the data. Here, the city and state for each record is stored in a single column. When we select the column, we can choose to duplicate, delete, or hide the column, or delete specific rows. In the Smart Transformations menu, we're also provided with suggestions for how to transform the data. If the suggestions don't meet our needs, we can create our own transformation. Here, we'll split the column on a comma followed by a space. The Repeat option here lets us decide how often to repeat the operation. Notice that the green cell highlighting shows a preview of the transformation as we construct it. Once we press Enter, the change is applied. Now we can rename the second column. For the selected column, we can see a histogram of the values. For state, the abbreviation for Oregon is inconsistent. We can select the records with the wrong formatting and change the formatting to uppercase. Notice that there are several options for changing the case of the entries. Alternatively, we can replace the values for all members. In this example, we'll change the state abbreviations to the full state names. When we sort the column, we can see that some of the records are missing entries, some for Las Vegas and some for Beverly Hills. To resolve this, we'll replace the blank values with the appropriate state, using a where clause to restrict the operation to the appropriate city. We'll repeat the process for the other city. When we sort again, we can see that all the blank cells are filled. We can also combine columns using a transformation. Here, we'll combine the first name and last name columns to create a single column for Sales Manager name. Once we've made the desired changes to the sample, we need to validate our changes against the full dataset. The validation reveals a data quality issue that didn't show up in the sample. Here, we can see that there are two records with invalid values. We can select the values in the Details panel. As with the other changes, we can choose one of the suggested transformations or create our own. We'll repeat the process for the second record, which has a different formatting error. Now we can validate the data again. Once we've made all the changes we want, we can view the transform log to view, reorder, or delete the transformations we've applied. Keep in mind that although we've been working in the table view in this example, The same transform options are available in the card view. For details on how to enrich and finish generating the model, refer to the videos on the relevant modeling topics. Thanks for watching.